Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can send one-time view picture on Messenger or Facebook. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and then go to the chat. There you want to send a single view image like that. I will show you how you can do it. Go to the gallery and select the video or the image that you want to send it to your friend, and as you can see over here at the bottom you will see the three options over here, one, and also you can see over here edit and send. You have to simply click on one, and then you will see over here this menu pop-ups over here, and then click on OK, and then click on send, and it's gonna be send it in once. And you can see over here view photo. Click on that. You can see over here this image I have sent it in once. You can see on the top, you will see this, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.